Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It is an iconic automotive brand founded on June 16, 1903. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Ford. Ford. Here we go again. Ford. An interesting fact about Ford is that it has produced some of the most famous vehicles in automotive history, including the Model T, the Mustang, and the F-Series trucks. Ford manufactures a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars and sedans to SUVs and trucks. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Ford, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.